In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move content blocks in your email campaign using the email builder. We'll start inside your email platform, focusing on a campaign you've already created. First, open the email campaign you want to edit. This simply means navigating to the campaign in your dashboard and selecting it so you can work inside its current layout and content. Choosing the right version helps you keep things organized and ensures you're adjusting the exact email your audience will receive. Next, click Edit to open the email builder. The builder is where everything comes together: text, images, buttons, and sections. Give it a moment to load. You'll see your template divided into content blocks, usually outlined when you hover over them. These blocks are individual components like a headline, a paragraph, an image, or a call to action button that you can rearrange without changing the rest of the design. Now, find the content block you want to move. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct block, especially if two nearby blocks look similar. Many builders label blocks or highlight them when selected, which helps avoid moving the wrong piece. When you're ready, click and hold the block, or use the move handle if you see one. The handle often appears as a small icon with dots or lines near the edge of the block. Clicking and holding locks the block into a draggable state. If you're on a trackpad, maintain steady pressure. On a mouse, keep the button down so the block stays attached to your cursor. Drag the block to the new position. As you move it, look for visual cues like a colored line, shaded area, or snap guide that show where the block will land. Align it with columns if your template uses a grid, and watch for spacing so your layout remains balanced. If the builder doesn't let you drop a block in a certain spot, it may be a protected section or a different column type. Simply try another compatible area. When the highlight appears in the right place, release the mouse to drop it. Finally, preview the email to make sure the layout looks correct. Use the preview mode to check both desktop and mobile views, paying attention to line breaks, image scaling, and button placement. If something feels off, return to the builder and adjust by dragging again until everything looks clean and intentional. That's it. Open, edit, select, drag, and preview. With a little practice, you'll rearrange content blocks quickly while keeping your design polished and consistent.